Numbers chapter 28. General sacrifices. The Lord said to Moses, "Give the Israelites this commandment. At their prescribed times, you will be careful to present to me the food offerings that are due me, oblations of pleasing aroma to me, each morning and evening. You will tell them therefore, this is the oblation which you will offer to the Lord. 2 unblemished yearling lambs each day, as the regular burnt offering, offering 1 lamb in the morning, and the other during the evening twilight, each with a grain offering of 1/10 of an ephah of bran flour mixed with 1/4 of a hin of oil of crushed olives. This is the regular burnt offering that was made at Mount Sinai for a pleasing aroma, an oblation to the Lord. And as the libation for the first lamb, you will make a libation to the Lord in the sanctuary of 1/4 of a hin of strong drink. The other lamb you will offer during the evening twilight, making the same grain offering, and the same libation as in the morning, as an oblation of pleasing aroma to the Lord. On the Sabbath. On the Sabbath day, 2 unblemished yearling lambs, with a grain offering of 2/10 of an ephah of bran flour mixed with oil, and its libation. This is the Sabbath burnt offering each Sabbath, in addition to the regular burnt offering and its libation. At the new moon feast, on your new moons, you will offer as a burnt offering to the Lord 2 bulls of the herd, 1 ram, and 7 unblemished yearling lambs, with 3/10 of an ephah of bran flour, mixed with oil as the grain offering for each bull, 2/10 of an ephah of bran flour, mixed with oil as the grain offering for the ram, and 1/10 of an ephah of bran flour, mixed with oil as the grain offering for each lamb, a burnt offering with a pleasing aroma, an oblation to the Lord. Their libations will consist of 1/2 a hin of wine for each bull, 1/3 of a hin for the ram, and 1/4 of a hin for each lamb. This is the burnt offering for the new moon, for every new moon through the months of the year. Moreover, there will be 1 goat, for a purification offering to the Lord. It will be offered in addition to the regular burnt offering and its libation. At the Passover, the 14th day of the first month, is the Passover of the Lord, and the 15th day of this month is the pilgrimage feast. For 7 days unleavened bread is to be eaten. On the first day you will declare a holy day, and you shall do no heavy work. You will offer an oblation, a burnt offering to the Lord, 2 bulls of the herd, 1 ram, and 7 yearling lambs that you are sure are unblemished. Their grain offerings will be of bran flour mixed with oil. You will offer 3/10 of an ephah for each bull and 2/10 for the ram. You will offer 1/10 for each of the 7 lambs, and 1 goat as a purification offering, to make atonement for yourselves. These offerings you will make in addition to the morning burnt offering, which is part of the regular burnt offering. You will make exactly the same offerings each day for 7 days as food offerings, oblations of pleasing aroma to the Lord. They will be offered in addition to the regular burnt offering with its libation. On the 7th day you will declare a holy day. You shall do no heavy work. At Pentecost, on the day of first fruits, on your feast of weeks, when you present to the Lord an offering of new grain. You will declare a holy day, you shall do no heavy work. You will offer burnt offering for a pleasing aroma to the Lord. 2 bulls of the herd, 1 ram, and 7 yearling lambs that you are sure are unblemished. Their grain offerings will be of bran flour mixed with oil. 3/10 of an ephah for each bull, 2/10 for the ram, and 1/10 for each of the 7 lambs. 1 goat will be for a purification offering, to make atonement for yourselves. You will make these offerings, together with their libations, in addition to the regular burnt offering with its grain offering.